lesson 11, page 42. Hope you guys are awake. You are doing good. You have your pencil in your hand. You had a good night's rest. You have a new day and another opportunity to do your very best. And let's see what we can learn about today. Today we're learning about how to figure how old somebody is if we know the year and their birthday, their birthday and the year that they were born, and we know what year we are in today, and we can figure out how old somebody is. So let's just practice a little bit. Let's say that we want to figure out how old Delcy is. She was born in 08, and this is 2020. So we're going to take 2020 and let's subtract to 2008. And we need to borrow. This is all going to cancel out. 10 take away 8 is 2. 1 take away 0 is 1. And Delcy's already had her birthday. This is now April and her birthday was in March. So she is 12 years old. Let's say Delcy's birthday was in July. Well, we're only in April. She wouldn't have had her birthday yet because her birthday's not until July. So you would have to subtract 1 year from this. And that means she would only be 11. Okay? So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to practice a little bit and figuring out how old some people are in your book. One of them is Sally. One of them is Luke. One of them is Dan. One of them is Esther. And I'm going to go get my different marker. I don't like this one as good. All right, the first one we're going to figure out is Sally. She was born in July 16th, 1999. And the date that we're supposed to figure is September 1st, 2010. They don't want us to use 2020. They want us to use 2010. All right, and she was born in 1999. So we're going to subtract 99 from 2010. We need to borrow. All right, these are all going to cancel out. 10 take away 9 is 1. 10 take away 9 is 1. And we have September 1st. Her birthday was July 16th, and we're already on September. So she's already had her birthday. So that means she's 11 years old. Let's look at Dan on 1B. Dan was born November 24th, 2005. All right. So we have 2010 and he was born in 2005. Again, we have to borrow. This is all going to cancel out. 10 take away 5 is 5. All right, it's September 1st. His birthday is November 24th. He hasn't had his birthday yet. So we're going to have to subtract 1 from this. So Dan is only 4 years old. All right, let's go down to 2A. Luke was born on September 6, 1948. So we have 2010. And in 1948, Luke was born. Again, we need to borrow. These are all going to cancel out. We have 10 take away 8 is 2. 10 take away 4 is 6. Now, today is September 1st. His birthday is September 6th. He hasn't had his birthday yet. So we need to subtract 1 from that, which actually Luke would be 61 years old. All right, and I'm going to let you guys do 2B. And let's look over in the rest of your lesson. Top of page 43 on the We Remember. Number 3 says Jordan earns $12 a week mowing his neighbor's lawn during the 13 weeks of summer vacation. He wants to buy a new softball glove costing $46.02. How much should he save each week for the ball glove if he wants to have it by the first day of school. Now this is one of those budgeting questions that we learned about the other day. So he's got 13 weeks of school and he has to spend $46. He wants to know how much he has to save every week in order to have $46. Emily, what would you do? Put your thinking cap on. Delcy, what would you do? Would you guys add, subtract, multiply, or divide? You're figuring out how much they need to save for 13 weeks. I hope you said divide, because that is the correct answer. That is what I would do. You're going to divide 13 into 4602. All right, go down to number 4. The Earth has a diameter. Remember, diameter is the whole line across on a circle. It's the straight line from side to side. Earth has a diameter of 12,746 kilometers. The largest planet, Jupiter, has a diameter 11.2 times this. And the smallest planet, Pluto, has a diameter 0.18 times that. Calculate the diameters of Jupiter and Pluto. All right, what are you guys going to do? We have to figure the diameter of Jupiter. Jupiter is 11.2 times that. Times is your clue, guys, what you're going to do. Figure Jupiter and Pluto. All right, and you're supposed to convert 5 and 6 to mixed measures. They give you a large amount of ounces. There's 16 ounces in a pound, so how many 16s are in 171? That's how you convert those. All right, remember on 20 and 21 on page 44, the first blank is where you put it to the nearest hundredth. The next blank is where you write the percent. Remember how to find those. Remember to take the denominator and divide it into the numerator. Okay? Denominator into the numerator. When you have a whole number, the whole number remains the same, and you take the denominator into the numerator. Okay? All right. Shouldn't take you terribly long. Set yourself a goal. Set yourself a little timer. And see if you can beat your timer, but do your work good and correctly and neatly. I love neat work, guys. See what you can do. Have a great day.